All right, welcome everybody. Officially recording. Dum dum dum. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and start the X term, and this screen is really small, and hopefully once I've got it up, I can actually zoom into the screen proper. So let me log on, ssh-y sec-light.bu.edu. Again, you may need to put your name with it, my password. All right, so if now, it's letting me zoom in, but it's not letting me control how I zoom in. So we'll see. Well, let's give it a go. I'm going to give it a go. So I'll zoom in just on this part of the screen for now and see what's what. And then, all right, so I'm going to type, to get into Stata, I just need to type xstata. So actually first, if I look, I have, I've actually put a copy of the behave congeneric data here in my data set. So it's actually in my, which is, it won't be on yours. You'll have to move it up to yours.
Can you make that at all bigger?
Yeah.
Maybe I should move.
Yeah, I'll try zooming in.
Can you, I think if you touch the corner.
It actually moves it in. Oh, nice. Okay, very good to know. Very good. Although I gotta go back there so I can bring a step back. Go back to the corner. Okay.
Sorry, can I just, if we're not doing it through there and we're just doing it like I just downloaded Stata.
Should be able to access it. If you've got Stata and you've got the file.
Yeah, so we just like do like file upload.
Yep.
No,
should be. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna bring up xstata. Oh, again, sorry, I'm not sure I clarified. The data file that I'm using, the copy for you, is on the Blackboard site.
Yeah, just save it to your computer. So I saved it to my computer, but to get it on here, it says put is not a function.
Yep, it's so I'm gonna for me to get it from my machine up, I had to download fetch to actually be able to put it up there. All right. And fetch is pretty much just an FTP secure file transfer program to move the things back and forth. And but if you only are using the SCC version, you'll have to get it at some point to move it. I asked for some other information about how to move files because I used put the other day, and now I'm not remembering how I did it or how I got it to actually work. So I'm.
So then, you won't be able to actually open it on this. It's on our computer, but not the cluster computer, the file.
Right. Right, and that's the other issue with this.
And we're finding that, so we have it listed as .dat, and that like when I'm trying to open it, it's saying like grayed out, and it's like not any of these file formats. So do we just like, we just change it into one of those, or?
Let me see here. So data.
No, it is. It's like the hardest part.
Data management is always yours.
I think it's going to be. Let me check. I did text created by. Okay. All right, so to get it, so we'll resolve the next question, which is how do you get the data to the system? I may have a workaround, but I've got to check it for a second. Now what I'm going to do, so what I just did is I did file, import, text data created by a spreadsheet. What are your options?
I
Because
have Excel spreadsheet, text data delimited.
you want that one.
That one.
Text data delimited. Because I think you got 14. So that's the other thing. Since I'm using 12 on the system, and if I remember, this is written for 13. So like it's just. But once you're in it, you should have one of the options to select what the delimiter is.
Okay.
The current one is with a tab delimiter. All right, now I'm going to check something else. Now let me check something.
Oh, yeah, delimiter. I want to say tab.
Yep. And then you should be able to browse to bring it up.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go to the bottom and tell it to show you all files.
All files. Oh, there we go. Okay, okay. So go to show, so go browse, find it, and all files. Yeah. Okay. I think.
It told me, oh, you can't do a Y with SFTP.
All right, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see if I can actually find my file. So
I just did SFTP and put it in.
it worked?
Yeah. So I'll show you how to do that. Thank you.
So SFTP put or SFTP start something?
So I did SFTP, and you don't do the Y because it's an invalid command. And then my username at scc-light-bu.edu, and your password, and then you can navigate through it, but for now just do put, and then in parentheses put the file name, and make sure that the file name is in your home directory.
So it's a convenient place.
It's convenient to put it directly in. Do you have like a home directory on your computer, on your real computer? On my desktop? Yes, put it on your desktop. Put the behave generic dot on your desktop. Yeah, I do. Okay, and then do. Okay. Oh nope, not in Stata. In your exports. Yes. Okay. So actually, quit out of exports because you were SSH'd in, but you need to. I don't need that. Okay. Cancel out of exports. Close this. Yes. SFTP. And then your username. So mine's from space, and then parentheses, the file name should be capital B, and then space, engineering. Make sure to put a comma, not parentheses, whatever it's called. Apostrophe. Yeah. Yep. That's a thing. So it says no. Such file. Yeah, it's out. I love it. I love it.
Before the.
And then to rewrite, you just press S.
Oh, okay.
How do you see where your current directory is from? Not like the LS once you've SFTP'd in. Do you know what I mean? Like to get it from.
You're completely welcome to make them.
To get it to tell you what the directory on the SCC system is.
Yeah, like
Do you-
if I click this, I want to know properties and access. So it exists in C. Yeah, he gave.
Oh, I have another copy for you. If you follow me upstairs afterwards, I can get it for you.
So there's 3.
I don't know how to put it on hers. Because it says there's no such directory.
Um,
And I don't know.
let me
I
let
can't.
me work on that.
Alright.
Let me work on that problem after we can take a look.
Sure, you can just look
And
watch.
okay, and then we'll figure out how to get the. This is the annoying part with the system. I need to find something because it's not in the book and I don't have info. Stata SEM matrix.
Cut this section out.